Hey guys, so in this video we'll be seeing how to swap two variables in Python with the help of a third variable. So let's get started. So here I'm having two variables, which is a and b, and we are going to use a third variable c and interchange the values. So let's see how we are going to do that. Okay, I'll be explaining the steps also. One of the simplest programs ever. So first thing is we need to have a temporary variable and we will be assigning a's value to the temporary variable. So just go here, c equal to a, and we'll also have this as a comment. Okay, we'll just have a comment, so saying that we'll have a value, we will have b value, and we will have c value. So since we have assigned a's value to c value is going to be 10 now. Alright, so we are now already having a copy of a's value in c, so a's value is safe now. So now we can assign b's value to a. So the next line it's going to be a equal to b, so we are assigning b's value to a. So now what happens here is that a equal to b's value is 20, so a value is 20, b value still remains as 20, and c value is unchanged, so it's going to be 10. So in the second step we are halfway done because we have already interchanged b's value to a. So a was 10, now a value is 20, and b value still remains the same. So now the final thing that we need to do is we need to give a's value to b, and a's value is not present in a, but it's actually present in c. We have got a copy earlier, that's the first step. So now if we go here, it's going to be c's value will be assigned to b, so b equal to c. And now what happens, a is 20, we didn't change a, but b value is changed, b value becomes c's value, which is going to be 10, and c value remains same, c value we don't bother now. And at the end a is 20, b is 10, which means that we have successfully interchanged. So now if I just print a equal to a over here and b like this, and just run it, here you can see I'm getting a equal to 20, b equal to 10, and the initial value was a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So simplest program guys, and I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel, run a lot of videos in Python programming, AI, Java, C, C++. You have everything there in the playlist. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.